Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we will see the string interpolation. So how the string interpolation will be work in our applications and what purpose being in real-time applications we are going to use that. So basically this is a very simple example. So and currently in the main method I just call the show method and the output will become the sum of 5 and 10 is 15 and this is the static string I have just passed and when I run that application that output will become like the sum of the 5 and 10 is 15. But using the string interpolation I want to create that it is a dynamic. So suppose if I want to take some parameters like integer a and integer b here and that integer a and b I want to pass here to show the same message like after the output like the sum of 5 and 10 is a 15. So same way if I pass the value I need to use the interpolation here. So suppose same way I just initialize the parameters here integer a equal to 5 and b equal to 10 and same parameters I will pass to the show method here. Suppose integer a and b, so both parameters I have passed here, so that parameters will become here in the integer a and integer and same way I want to use that interpolation here. So how will we use that in our string? So basically show that the same output, so we will use the dollar symbol here before that and the sum of 5. So currently it is the static value but we are taking from the dynamic value, whatever that in the application integer a parameter that value is coming, that is automatically will take. So using the curly open and curly bracket we will pass the a here and same way for the 10 we will pass curly open curly close and b. So in that case what will happen, whatever the value is came in that a parameter that will be printed here and whatever the value is came here with the b it will be printed here and it is the output will become a plus b equal to 15. So in that case it is a hard coded value, so we will keep it is same way like a plus b and when we add this way so it will be output will become as a 15 and same way the whole output if I run that application will become like the sum of 5 and 10 is 15. So I will show that. So I will quickly run that application. I will show you. You are able to see, right? So the output, the sum of 5 and 10 is a 15. The same way, if I pass the value, different values here. So instead of the 5, if I pass that 12 and 12. So 12 and 12, it will be become of 24, right? So and here the message will be become like the sum of 12 and 12 is a 24. So if I run that application again and if I run that, the output will become like 12. The sum of 12 and 12 is a 24. So you are able to see, right? So that way the string interpolation will be work in our application. So in the real time we will pass the values using that dollar symbol and in the curly open and curly close we will pass the variable name.